Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this VeGue condenser microphone. The model type is VM30 and it's a pretty interesting thing. I mean, when we look at what we get in this class here, I mean, this is a really attractive set. And if it really works in good quality, then this could be one of the most attractive microphones in this class. So I'm going to do the unboxing, I'm going to install it, and then of course I'm going to record a sample and play that for you so you can listen how this thing is really working in real life. So here is what we get. Nice instructions manual. Comes in a couple of different languages. So I'm not going to show you everything, but it looks like it's nicely described, everything, 5 pages in English. Yeah, maybe we can look at that pretty quickly. Here the specs with the sensitivity and everything, but I mean, it's just the official specs, and at the end of the day, the only thing which counts is how this is really working. So everything is nicely packaged. We get this really interesting connection cable. It's a USB-A and USB-C to USB-C. USB-C, this is the future, this is what we want to see, but you have also the legacy support of the USB-A, absolutely perfect. Nice packaging. We get everything already installed. That's phenomenal. So it takes just 2 minutes to set it up. That's really great. Yeah, I haven't seen that before. For some of the microphones you have to spend 15 minutes to assemble everything. Here it comes everything pre-assembled right out of the box. Yeah, absolutely perfect. And we can see it comes with the pop filter. We have the shock mount already installed. We have nice tripod, a really safe one, I would say. I mean, this is how we are using it normally. It has a cardioid pickup pattern, so it picks up everything from the front. So usually we have it like that, and then we have the weight nicely centered. This is exactly how we want it. Tripod has this soft rubber feet. It's pretty safe, solid. We can also take it out of the shock mount to have a closer look. We have the mute button here and the USB-C, and we have a live view here so we can listen to what we are recording. And here we have the volume. I don't know if this is a gain volume controller or just for the headset, we'll find out. So we just push it back, very easy to mount. We plug in USB-C at the bottom and then we connect it to the computer and wait till it's automatically installing the drivers. You can see absolutely plug and play. We just wait maybe 1 or 2 minutes depending on speed of your PC. We have already the blue light. So I have everything been installing and using for a while, and of course the most important thing is you want to hear microphone sample, so I'm going to play that now for you so you can listen to that. VeGue condenser microphone VM30 microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. VeGue condenser microphone VM30 microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that. And for me, I mean, I've already transferred this to my large computer with my headphones. I've also been using the recorded sample in my video editing program to check the volume, and everything is looking good so far. I would say it's a surprisingly good microphone, especially the quality. I would say the microphone is picking up the voice in a very natural way, which is really hard to find in this class. By the way, this is not a volume control, this is a gain control, so it controls the input level of the microphone and not the output. But it's a really interesting thing. I mean, I have to really talk about all the features and functions and everything because it's really nice. It's one of the nicest things which I've ever seen so far. When we look at the Windows setup, it has set up everything automatically, and not only the microphone as an input but also as an output. As soon as I've attached these headphones with a 3.5mm to this jack here, audio jack, it has detected that, and now this is working also as an output and not only as a microphone input. So this is absolutely amazing. But of course we cannot use this to control the volume, but I have volume control here and we have it in the windows. But this is really gain control. This is really amazing. Of course usually we are using that on the highest gain level because the microphone is not super sensitive, but it is sensitive enough, I would say, especially for this class. In the video editor I had to give an additional boost of about 5 decibel only compared to my favorite microphone. This is actually amazing, and again the clarity and the natural tone of this microphone is really amazing, and there's almost no background noise, really nice and clear. And of course also the live monitoring worked absolutely no delay, works absolutely perfect, and the construction itself is really amazing. The stand works great, we can adjust this thing here, and also the pop filter worked. I've tried the microphone also from very close and it prevented almost any pop effect. The shock mount of course is not capable to remove everything, so I highly recommend not to touch it while you're recording it. So from my side, definitely full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.